can thread up, match Stitch Fix, and wantable in style to save you on the cost? Let's open this box and find out. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That little guy is Bandit and Chloe is in the other room doing Chloe things. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So as you guys know, I do a lot of wantable and Stitch Fix. Haven't done them in a while, kind of recently picked back up with them because you guys seem to like those. They seem to be very popular, so you know, I've been getting more of the boxes but not keeping as many items. Typically like one or two, although my last Stitch Fix was a real difficult one. However, what I did was I went and looked online to see if I could find some of the things at a cheaper price. And lo and behold, ThredUp had some of the items brand new with tags at a fraction of the cost. So I put a few things in the box just to kind of check out what kind of style. This is not one of their style boxes. I don't even know if they do those anymore. I'm going to look that up and try to put that up there for you if they do. And these are just items that I picked for myself. So I did go through two things in this box already, just in case it looks a little wrinkled, but I wanted to make sure that the two things that I wanted to get from Stitch Fix, I could get from here. And I want to make sure they fit. So it does come, it was all wrapped in this. This was wrapped, but I did take out two items. I didn't take out anything else. So first is that blue Skies Are Blue blazer, which was, if you recall, I think it was $68 or $69 from Stitch Fix. New with tags, $25. And that was like a sale they had going on, and fits exactly the same, because you never know when it's used, if it's, you know, even though the tags are on, did somebody like do something with it, did it get washed, did it go in the dryer, who knows. Weird things can happen, but I was fairly confident that since it was new with tags, it was going to fit as described, and it does. So it's exactly like the other one at a fraction of the cost. Now next, if you recall, I fell in love with that mocha jacket, which was also $69. New with tags, pristine condition, clearance priced $9.98. I don't know why somebody would have gotten this from Stitch Fix, paid $69, decided they didn't want that $69 to be used, sent it to ThredUp, but honestly, I don't care. Love it, so glad for it, and I'm so glad that it was $10. So right there, those were two things I didn't have to get in my fix because I found them here. So I am going to start doing that, as Stitch Fix will send you a preview. So the things that I choose, I am going to look and see if I can find them on ThredUp for cheaper. I did look up some of the things from my wantable boxes, and they didn't have anything from the brand 78 and Sunny. I think I looked up a couple other brands and I didn't see anything, but they seem to have a lot of Stitch Fix items for what it's worth. Next, this is by C&E, and it's just a little blue top, and I don't remember what I paid for it, but it was very inexpensive. I'll see if I can find those prices. Next, this is by Done by Jade, and it's just a pair of I don't know, like a workout material pants, but nice and cool. And so I thought Chloe would like these, and you can make them smaller with these little things on the side. So how cute is that? I was looking for a graphic tee, so this American Apparel. And that, unfortunately, I will not get to wear because as soon as the kid sees it, it will be hers. From Gap. I thought these pants were so cute. If they're too long for me, the kid will probably take them. These are a 12. Oh, they're a high rise. I don't really like high rise. Maybe I got this thinking about the kid, but I love those pockets. I might not have even looked at that. Yeah, they are going to be too long for me, so I think they're going to be for the kid. And then this is by Loft. It's a size large, and I mean, that looks perfect. I see all of these look like to be in perfect condition. So I'm going to try on a couple of the tops, and I'll probably try on the pants so y'all can see, but the pants are primarily for Chloe. All right, I'll be right back. Here are those Gap jeans. They're a little long on me, but if I wear some heels, I can definitely filch them from the kid. And they fit just like a 12, so perfect size. And here is that little pink sweater, and I love the color, and it'll go great with a blazer or just alone. All right, let me try on another top. And here is that dark blue top, and it's a little snug in here, but a few pounds from now, and it shouldn't be. So I'm good with that. All right, on to the last outfit. And here is that t-shirt with those black pants, and I mean, fits pretty good. The t-shirt's a little more snug than I prefer, but that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a more snug fit, and it would look great under a blazer if I ever got to wear it. In this life, I won't. She'll have it. But I think I got some great steals, and I think for the whole box, I think I paid $100 for everything in it. And that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 items. So not a bad deal with some great stuff for both myself and the kid. All right, well, tell me your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.